Coming up in today's video, we have gumbo. And this is my very first time making this, and I did not use gumbo fillet. So if y'all want to see how I made this, please stay tuned. This is Cooking with Busy Ree. Bye. Hey, my busy bees, how y'all doing? Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Today we are cooking. We're not cleaning.
I wake up every morning and tell myself, good morning, gorgeous. Sometimes you got...
So y'all, on today's menu, we're having gumbo. Gumbo. So, let's get to it. Okay, y'all, this is the ingredients that we are going to need. So, we have some bell peppers and onions already diced up, ready to go. We have some crawfish tails. Yes, ma'am. Yes, girl. We have some shrimps that's already peeled and deveined and cleaned up, but we still cleaned them ourselves. And then we're going to have to season that thing, put a little bam on it. So, yeah. Then we got some chicken that need to be seasoned too with all the same seasonings. Then we got them sausages on deck. We're going to go on and brown these. We got some basil. Thank you to my mama because I didn't have none. Well, I do, but it's old and I can't use that. So we got some basil. We got some garlic paste. That good old creole. And we got black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. My garlic powder is just none actually. But that's okay because this will do the trick. And then I have chicken bouillon seasoning, and this is what I'm going to use for my chicken broth, y'all. I'm going to add water with this and make my own chicken broth. Yeah. So, I believe that's pretty much it. So, let's get this thing going. So, the first thing we're going to do is brown these. Oh, yeah, and I forgot. I got some shrimp and crab boiled too. Get your oil. Y'all, while this oil heat up, we're going to season our shrimps. Black pepper. Let's dump these sausages in. They too hot. That's what I'm saying no. Okay, y'all. Now my gumbo is on the lighter side. You know, it's a little lighter. Cause my arm was hurting. I wasn't about to steer no roof for 40 minutes for 40 days and 40 nights. I did about 25 minutes. It ain't that dark, but it's okay. All I did was add 3 bay leaves in. So y'all, yes, it's my gumbo light skin. We twinsies. I'm gonna let this simmer a little bit. My crabs are right here. I'm gonna wash them, rinse them and stuff, but I'm not going to put my crabs in tonight. I'm going to put those in tomorrow, and I'll plate it up, make some rice and show y'all. But that's basically it. So I guess I'll see y'all tomorrow. And I tasted y'all when I say that's good, and I didn't even use that with gumbo fillet stuff because it make it thicker basically, but mine was already on a little thicker side. That's why I added some water to it to thin it out a little bit, but it tastes really, really good. Oh, I didn't show y'all when I poured the shrimp boil in. I poured like 3 drops of this in. Because I was on the phone with my mom and got carried away. I'm going to have to tell her she done made me miss some steps for y'all. But yeah, I just added some of the shrimp boil. And I put 3 bay leaves in. So I'll take them out when it's done. So y'all, tomorrow is Christmas. Actually, it's 12:13 right now. Merry Christmas. It is midnight. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. I hope y'all get what y'all wanted. These kids talking about waking me up early singing, not lullabies, Christmas carols and shit. But I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.
Tomorrow.
Still cooking breakfast? On my back. I just hit my back on the pointy part of the corner.
Yeah. And when it's time to plate it up, I will see y'all in a minute. Bon appetit. Bye.